The city logged 11,091 COVID cases, almost 1,000 cases more than yesterday. To step up efforts to contain the pandemic, the government has extended the vaccination pass scheme to children aged between 5 and 11. The scheme will be implemented in two separate phases, and those aged between 5 to 11 must receive at least 2 jabs by the end of November. Timothy Lee has more.
With COVID claiming the lives of another 12 patients and the city's daily infection tally showing no signs of dropping below the 10,000 mark, authorities are now turning their focus to Hong Kong's youngsters. The current lowest age threshold for the vaccination pass is 12. This will be lowered to 5 starting September 30th. From that date, children aged between 5 and 12 must have received at least 1 jab to enter restaurants and other premises as per the requirements of the vaccination pass scheme. If the children received the shot 3 months ago or any time prior to that, they will need to get their second vaccine. By the 30th of November, they must have completed the 2 required vaccinations. But if they took the BioNTech vaccine, a second dose is not required. As for children who were previously infected with COVID, if they were unvaccinated before, they must receive their first jab 6 months after their recovery. Meanwhile, the deadline of the second and third vaccinations for those who have reached the age of 12 by the end of September has been changed. They must now be triple jabbed by the 30th of November. The government noted that since the beginning of the 5th wave, 38 children between the ages of 3 and 11 have developed serious symptoms, with 8 becoming fatalities. There are concerns that the new measure may deprive the rights of unvaccinated children. Health officials said it's best for these children to get a jab.
I absolutely agree that a long-term effect on the children when they are deprived of social contact or social activities or outdoor activities, that will actually affect their development. I think the way out, at the same time to protect their health, the way out is actually bring them for vaccination.
When looking to enter premises covered by the vaccine pass, children will be given the option to display QR codes on their vaccination papers or via mobile phone. An update will soon be introduced to the Leave Home Safe app, which will allow parents to store their children's vaccination passes as well. Currently, the government estimates that around 6,000 to 8,000 children have yet to be vaccinated at all. Timothy Lee, TVB News.